Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the spacer and ripple edit tools in Kdenlive. So they're really invaluable and can potentially save you a lot of editing time. So let's get started. I have a few clips in my timeline here, and as you can see, they are ordered in no particular order. And if I'd like to move one clip, I would have to move everything. And doing so one by one, like so, is very time consuming. So if I want to add a space between these two clips, that's what this spacer tool is for. So you can click on it or press M to select it and simply click on the clips you'd like to move around. So if I click on this clip and move it to the right by holding my left mouse button, you can see it also automatically moves everything that goes after it. This also works in the reverse direction as long as you start from the first clip in the group. If you start here, as you can see, and try to move it back, it doesn't push the previous clip backward as well. So the next thing that I want to show you is the ripple edit tool. And this is another really useful time saver for when you have multiple cuts in your videos. So let's say I make a cut there, I delete this, and I move that around. So let's say I want to change the in and out points of two clips without affecting other clips around it. To do so, I want to select the ripple tool here, and I'm going to mouse over the cut between the two elements that you want to edit. There we go. As you can see, I get to change the in and out point of the second video, and extending it will automatically move the rest of the timeline forwards to compensate. So you can also do this to make it shorter, for example, and you can also do it here for the last one. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. That was how to use the spacer tool and the ripple edit tool in Kdenlive. Again, they're really useful tools and can potentially save you a ton of time, especially if you spend hours editing your projects.